A nation does not only lose workers when talent leaves, it loses the builders of the future. Welcome to the next chapter journey, where life, wisdom, and new beginnings meet. When too many gifted people leave, a nation also feels the loss. Brain drain is not just about professionals moving elsewhere. It is about the country losing teachers, nurses, lawyers, innovators, builders, and future leaders whose gifts could help shape the nation. People live for valid reasons, and we should never blame them for seeking better lives. But we should ask a deeper question: what kind of country are we building if our brightest minds feel they must live to thrive? A stronger Philippines will be one that creates enough hope, opportunity, and trust that more talented people will want to stay and build here too. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join my channel. Thank you.